We've got a music player here. I wonder if it's gonna play the Muji shopping music. How do we turn this on?
Hey everyone, Gunnarolla here and welcome to Tokyo, Japan. Today we're heading to the Ginza district to check into a hotel by a brand that is just as iconic as the ones that surround it. It's the Muji Hotel.
Alrighty, we are checking into the Muji Hotel. It's in Ginza, which is a pretty upscale, ritzy neighborhood.
Muji is a Japanese lifestyle brand that's known around the world for its environmentally conscious, minimalist style. At their location in Ginza, you'll find a retail shop, cafe, and restaurant on site. I am always on the lookout for interesting places to stay, and as a fan of Muji myself, I couldn't pass up the opportunity to check in and check it out.
Alright, we're heading to a room. They've got the Muji music playing. I feel like I'm shopping. Welcome to the Muji Hotel. We've got a closet over here. Oh, there it goes. We've got pajamas, laundry, and I think I have some of these hangers at home. Next, we've got a sink here. If you look over here, we've got some cabinets, toiletries, and a little bin in case you need to store stuff. We've got a hair dryer, and in here, all of our supplies. We've got pods for tea and coffee. Got a fridge there with some beverages. We've also got a kettle and a diffuser. When I checked in, they asked me which essential oil I wanted, and I can take that home. Got kind of a central control panel here. This is very common in a lot of newer hotels. You can control the temperature, the curtains, you can call the front desk. And there's a whole list of things that they actually encourage you to take home. And when I checked in, they gave me this welcome gift. I love how everything just has its own place, and you can tuck things away so it looks nice and neat. All right, now we've got our living area here with a sofa, very comfortable, a TV, some snacks here. It says, we prepared these snacks and drinks just for you. Music player, air filter down over here. All right, let's take a look at the bathroom. Beautiful. We've got a nice toilet there. It's a Japanese toilet. So of course you have a bidet and all these high-tech functions. Rainfall shower head, bath products right there. You could show up to this hotel without anything. You've got everything you need here. And last but not least, the bed. Very spacious, simple design here. On both sides of the bed, you've got panels to control lighting. Got a nice alarm clock there, of course, Muji brand. And that's our room at the Muji Hotel. Wonderful use of space. It's a very long room, but it doesn't feel narrow. Everything has a place, and everything you could think of needing is here. It's modern, it's minimalist. Love this kind of earthy color scheme. It's an A+ for me. This is really comfortable. And I personally love having a low mattress. It's great.
So there you have it. The Muji Hotel will definitely appeal to Muji fans and design geeks. It's not the cheapest place to stay, but it does offer an experience that's different from the rest. And if you want a lot of goodies to take home without feeling guilty, check in and check it out. In our next video, we're taking you to Yokohama, home to the largest Chinatown in Japan. Subscribe so you don't miss it and turn on your notifications for new videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. See you next time. À la prochaine.